The goat is here. Yo, bro, why you should get VIP? I'm gonna tell you why. Watch list. Right here. This is everything included in the VIP. I'm gonna go through them one by one. I wanna start with watch list. This is how I get everybody ready. To me, this is the most important for VIP. 90% of the bangers are gonna come from here. Let me give you an example. Today. So this is what I do for the watch list. If you listen to, if you have a Bloomberg terminal, if you use Benzinga, you're gonna hear about 500 calls a day, 500 maybe more, and you need to know how to differentiate from important catalysts and just BS. You don't care about, oh, there's a new CEO for this company or this and that. You want what's gonna make a stock go up. So this is what I do. I watch CNBC, Bloomberg Terminal, Benzinga. So I look out for the news that's gonna drive up the stock. So for example, Tesla recalls 5,000 cars. ALT is presenting this week. Keeps getting upgrades. Chart presents an entry opportunity. PDSB could see a reversal today after a new upgrade to $20. So these are things that you're gonna see in the watch list, and this is gonna get you ready. So from here, I'm gonna make calls, because if I see something that I know this is a big catalyst, I'm gonna go to day trades right here, and I'm gonna make the call. Now let me tell you the difference between day trade calls in VIP and on the free side. In VIP, I'm gonna give you calls with the entry and the stop loss. I'm also gonna tell you when to sell. So for example, right here I told you TMDI, one exclamation point, $1.97, stop loss $1.85. Received 10 million in license deal. Okay, so I got everybody into that trade. Now, I'm going to tell you TMDI, sell half or 1/4 at 216. So I'm looking at the chart, and I'm telling you when to sell. Then I'll tell you, sell right here at 215 in the wall. And then at the end of the day, I'll let you know what I'm swinging, what I'm dumping, etc. For example, over here I tell you TDMI, hit my stop loss, which was my entry after I sold half earlier. I'll tell you what I'm still in and what I'm dumping at the end of the day. This way you're not caught holding a bag. Okay, so you're gonna get entries, sell targets, step by step, and you're gonna get a brief description why I'm getting into the day trade. For swings, let's get into swings on why you should get VIP. So for swings, I'm gonna give you the entry. I'm gonna give you how many stars I give the swing, and I'm gonna tell you a brief reason why I'm choosing this swing. So for example, on May 14th, I gave you GEVO 489, 4 stars. This will make new highs in the coming months. And then one thing that I do is, in the VIP research, I'll post some due diligence. So over here in this channel in VIP, I'll post some due diligence based on that swing. So for example, over here you could see upgrades by analysts, institutional ownerships, what institutions are holding. So you need to understand that I have membership to everything, to Fintel, to Seeking Alpha, Tip Ranks. So I'm gonna use those resources, and I'm gonna post information about the swings that I'm calling and the day trades that I'm calling. I'm gonna post it here. So for example, right here, SPPI, one of my favorite analysts gave it a $12 price target on June 1st. So I'll post it here. So here's, you're gonna see institutional ownership, Seeking Alpha related articles, etc., etc. Very important channel is the VIP research. Chart analysis. Over here you can see we do some technical analysis on the calls that we make. So for example, OEG right here, it's still below VWAP, so I'll announce if it breaks VWAP. You know, this is something to look at, keep an eye on. This is another example. If it breaks the pattern, if it breaks VWAP, I'll let you guys know. I'll announce it. We have a Ask John Trader channel. So if you have any questions relating to any other stock calls that I make, here you can ask me some questions. If it relates to the swings or the long-term calls as well. Let me talk about the long terms as well. So in the long-term calls, as you can see, May 6th, I call Peloton. $81 entry. I'll make some calls here long term, and I'll post some information in the VIP research. I also have a 1K to 2K challenge. So in this challenge, myself, I have an account of $1,000 and I'm taking it to $2,000. So step by step, I'm telling you what I'm doing. So I'm telling you when I bought. So for example, I'm using Excel and AGTC as two swings to take it to 2,000, take the 1K to 2K. So I'll tell you when I buy, when I sell using the 2-5 strategy, etc., etc. We have a crypto chat. We have a YouTube live. In the YouTube live, I'm gonna be going over videos of what made me make that call. What did I look at? We could look at some charts, and we could look, you know, things of that sort. I also have a tiny float alerts channel. So this is more for the experienced traders. If I see a tiny floater, a stock that's very volatile, I'll make a call here. I'll let you guys know it's getting volume. I don't want new traders to look at this channel because they could get caught up. And these stocks, they could go up fast and they could also go down fast because they have no catalyst. So these are just stocks getting pumped. So I'll do some alerts here, etc. What else can I say about the VIP channel? We also have a trading floor. It's so business. People are here to make money. They're paying for this. Even though it's only 83 cents a day, they're paying for this. We're talking stocks. We all want to make money. So you're gonna find some serious people in here talking about stocks. And as I mentioned earlier, we have a general chat. Here in the general chat, you could speak to other traders about other topics that don't relate to stocks. So yeah, guys, this is why, honestly, this is why you should join VIP. If you need step-by-step guidance, then I recommend VIP. If you don't need step-by-step guidance, then you don't really need VIP. But if you do, if you don't have the time, this is really important. If you don't have the time, if you work a full-time job, if you have kids, if you don't really have time but you love the stock market, you need to get VIP because I'm giving you all the due diligence. I'm giving you all the resources. I'm giving you all of that for 83 cents. Tip ranks alone is about $60 to $70 a month. What else? Seeking Alpha alone is about $40 a month. So this is all things. Bloomberg Terminal is about $2,000 a month. Benzinga is about $1,500 a year. So these are all things I'm giving you guys for 83 cents a day. I want you guys to win because if you win, I win. The bigger we get. So when we go against the hedgies, we have a lot of firepower. And this is why you should join VIP, guys.